So narration in imperative sentence. We know imperative sentence expresses order, command, request, begging pardon, and the sentence begins with reported speech begins with verb. The reported speech begins with verb. This is imperative sentence. And out of inverted comma there is subject, reporting verb, object. So this is the imperative form. The reported speech is now in the imperative form, begins with verb. If the sentence begins with reported speech, reported sentence speech begins with verb, we must know it is in the imperative sentence. So if the sentence begins with expresses order, then the reported speech, the reported will change into ordered. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, and if the reported speech expresses request, the reporting verb will be requested. Will be requested. If the reported speech expresses forbidding, then reporting verb will be changed into forbid, will be changed into forbade. If the reporting verb, reported speech expresses begging pardon, then the reporting verb will be changed into begged. And if the sentence begins with, if the reported speech expresses advice, so the reporting verb will be advised. Let's see if the reported speech is in the imperative, then and it expresses order, then reporting verb will be changed into ordered. If it expresses request, then reporting verb will be changed into requested. If it refers to forbidding, then reporting verb will be changed into forbade. Set to will be changed into forbade. If the reported speech expresses begging pardon, so the reported speech will be changed into begged. If it expresses advice, then the reporting verb will be changed into advised. Set to will be changed into advised. Now the correct form of interrogative structure structure, then subject, reporting verb, any one of this reporting verb, then object, and the reporting verb, after removing the reporting verb, removing the inverted comma, and comma, we must put here to, and we know after to the verb will be in the present form. So after to, the verb will be sit here, and verb will be in the present form or the base form, and the object will be changed into object here will be changed into person, so object, and after the end of the sentence there will be a full stop. I repeat, if the reported speech begins with verb, we must know this is imperative sentence, and if the reported speech is in the imperative sentence, then if it expresses order, then reporting verb will be changed into ordered. If it expresses request, then reporting verb said to will be changed into requested. If it expresses forbidding, then reporting verb said to will be changed into forbade. If it expresses begging pardon, then reporting verb will be changed into begged. And if the reported speech expresses advice, then the reporting will be changed into advised. So this is the indirect form of imperative sentence is subject, then reporting verb, then object, and removing the inverted comma there will be to and to infinitive, and then verb and object. Verb after to, the verb will be in the present form, base form, and then object will be changed into according to person. Let's see some examples. Suman said to me, please give your book to me. And we know the sentence begins with please, and this is imperative sentence. The reported speech now is the imperative sentence. So please, and we know please, if the sentence if there is please, so it expresses request, so the reporting verb will be changed into requested. Said to will be changed into requested. So Suman requested me, and after removing the inverted comma there will be to, infinitive to. So to, and after to there will be verb, so give will be in the same form. The give, Suman requested me to give your is the second person, the form of second person, so it will follow me, and me will be sit here. So give him, second person me. So it will follow me, and it will your book, give your book to me. So your will be second person, so it will follow my. My book to, this is first person me, it will follow the subject Suman, so him. So it is objective form, me here objective form, so it must be objective form, and Suman third person, so him third person. I repeat, Suman said to me, please give your book to me. Suman requested me to give my book, your second person, so your will be followed, second person will follow the object of reporting verb. So me here is a first person, so your will be my, your will be changed into my, your book my book, and to him, to me, to him, me will has been changed into him, as me is a first person, so it has followed Suman, so Suman and him. This is the step. Now let's see another example. Rumon said to her father, please give me 100 টাকা. Suman requested, as the sentence reported speech sentence reported speech begins with please, so it is also also in the form of it expresses request. So Rumon requested his Suman requested his father. Suman requested his father to give him 100 টাকা. Rumon said to his father, please give me 100 টাকা. Rumon subject, then reporting verb said to has been changed into requested, as it expresses the reported speech expresses requested. So request, so said to had been changed into requested, his father, then his father, and after removing the inverted comma we put here to, then after to there has been the verb has been set here. So Rumon requested his father to give him, me has been changed into the subject of recording verb. So Rumon, in lieu of Rumon here him, and 100 taka, then 100 taka. So the Roman said to his father, please give me 100 taka. Roman requested his father to give him 100 taka. We can see another example. Subroto said to me, do not go there. This is also imperative, as the sentence begins with do not and it is negative form. If the sentence begins with do not, then we must know it is imperative sentence and negative form, or never. If there is never, it is also imperative sentence, negative form. So this is forbidding. As it is forbidden, so we can put here forbid, or we can use here ordered. So if forbid, then me not is avoided. Not is avoided. So only to is here. To will be put here. To go there. But we can write it in another. We can use it in another way. Ordered me. As the sentence begins with do not, so after to, before putting to, we must put not to go there. So we can write any one, we can use any one of these. If we write forbid, in that case do not, then not must be avoided. But if we use ordered, then we must put not before to. So any one of these we can use. Let's see. I repeat this imperative sentence again in the indirect narration. The sentence in the indirect narration reported speech in the now in the form of imperative. So narration in imperative sentence, and the rule, the structure is here. If the sentence begins, if the reported speech begins with expresses order, then reporting verb will be changed into ordered. If the reported speech expresses request, then reporting verb said to will be changed into requested. If the sentence expresses forbidding, then reporting verb said to will be changed into forbid. If the imperative sentence is reported speech expresses begging pardon, then the reporting verb said to will be changed into begged. And if the sentence expresses advice, the reporting verb will be changed into advised. Said to will be changed into advised. So the form of indirect narration in the imperative sentence is the structure: subject, then reporting verb, any one of these, ordered, requested, forbade, begged, or advised, then object. So and after removing the inverted comma and comma, we must put here to, and put to has been set, put here, and then comes to verb. After to, then verb will be has been set, put here in the present form. So to is infinitive, so after to the verb must be in the present form, and then object. Then object has been changed into person. Object will be changed here according to person. Object will be changed here according to person. And the some examples here. Suman said to me, please give me your book. Give your book to me, or give me. So Suman requested me to give my book to him. And another example here, Roman said to his mother, please give me 100 taka. Roman said to his father, please give me 100 taka. As there is please, so it expresses requested. So the reporting verb said to has been changed into requested. Roman requested his father to give him 100 taka. Subroto said to me, do not go there. It is forbidden. It expresses forbidding. So we used here forbid, or if we know it is ordered, if we make understand that it is ordered, then we can use ordered. So said has been changed into forbid. So Subroto forbid me. And if there is forbid, not will be avoided. So not has been avoided here. So to go there. Subroto forbid me to go there. But here we wrote another way. Subroto, if it expresses ordered, we mean it as ordered. So we can use ordered. Suman said ordered me, and then before to not will be set, has been set here. So put here. So Subroto ordered me not to go there. This is the form of imperative sentence in the indirect narration. We can set another example here. The teacher said to the students, always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. We know this is it expresses the teacher said to the students, always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. We know it expresses advice. So the reporting verb said to will be changed into advised. So the teacher advised the students. The teacher advised the students, and after removing the inverted comma, we must put here to according to the rules. So to, and then comes to verb. Speak is a verb. So the teacher advised the students. The teacher advised the students to, then verb, to speak the truth. And always will be, it is an adverb, so it will be put later. Always.